Your fireplace is the focal point of your home. We offer you ways to manage the heat so you can create the most comforting and relaxing environment. Welcome to our heat management solutions. Control where you want the heat and how much to enjoy a beautiful fire throughout the year. Whether you want to move heat to other areas of the home, or even outside, or place your TV right above your fireplace, we have a solution for you. There are times when you want your TV or heat-sensitive materials above your fireplace. Our passive heat solution keeps wall temperatures low by directing heat behind the wall, up and away from the fireplace. You'll enjoy naturally dispersed heat and lower wall temperatures. No power needed means no fan noise. And in case of a power outage, no issues. All with your TV or heat-sensitive materials just 12 inches above your fireplace. No mantle required. Want to enjoy the ambiance of your fireplace for hours without making the room too warm? Our Heat Zone Kit maintains your desired temperature by transferring heat to other rooms in your home. Move warm air behind the walls to the rooms you choose. You can redirect up to 50% of the heat to other rooms by controlling the fan speed. Want all the heat back? Just turn off Heat Zone. You're always in control. Don't want that extra heat inside your home at all? Our Heat Out Kit moves it outside so you can enjoy your fireplace year-round, even in warmer weather. Here, flexible ducting transfers heat outside your home. So if your room is too warm, you can send up to 40% of the heat outside. Enjoy your fireplace anytime, for any occasion, while controlling the comfort of your room. Heat Management Solutions, the comfort and control you deserve.